Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Vanguard Not Initialized and the Valorant error code is 128. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing Vanguard Not Initialized and the error code you get on the screen is 128, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, first of all you need to open the services. For that you need to click on start menu, then type here services, then click on services. Guys, in this you need to find VGC. I had not installed the Valorant game, that's why it's not showing here. If you are using Valorant game, then you can see here VGC option. Suppose if this is your VGC, just right click on that, click on properties. You can see here startup type. If it is manual or disabled, you just need to select as automatic. After selecting automatic, then start the services from here and click on apply and click on OK. After that, just close this window, and once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, you can check if it is fixed or not. If still it is not working, then try the second method. You need to open the control panel, click on start menu, then type here control panel. Click on control panel. In this you can see programs. Below you will find uninstall a program. Just click on uninstall a program. Guys, in this you need to find reward games. I am repeating once again, I had not installed the Valorant game, that's why I am unable to show you. Just you need to find the reward games. Suppose this is your reward game, just right click on that and click on uninstall. After uninstalling, just close this window. Again you need to reinstall your Valorant game. After installing your Valorant game, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Vanguard Not Initialized and the error code you get on the screen is 128. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.